sweeties. It literally looks like I have no lashes on. Like my face look bald, but I promise y'all I got lashes on. These are some lashes that I found in my drawer. Trying not to wake Ivy up to get the actual lashes that I wanted. So these just gonna have to do. But anyway, y'all, we got a haul per usual from Shein. It is a nail haul, as y'all seen by the title. But y'all, I want to place another order on Shein for some clothes. But the whole tariff situation, I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if the girl was spicing things up, but she said that her cart went from $300 to $750. I think she lying, but I don't know. I'm just gonna have to go in there myself and just look and see, put some things in the cart, get to that checkout part, and just see if there's any high tariff charges. If it's reasonable, then I don't care, I'll just pay it. But anyway, y'all, like I said, we have a Shein haul. I'm gonna change y'all view so y'all can get a better up close view of the nails, and I'm gonna tell y'all about my recent trip to the nail salon. Yeah, one charm. Already, I'm so pissed. If you have no clue who I am, my name is Tianka, and over here we do hauls, vlogs, and we do our nails. So if you like that type of content, definitely consider subscribing, join the family, and leave a comment down below. Let me know that you're new here so I can personally welcome you to the channel, okay? Anyway, y'all, let me know down in the comments right now what is your favorite shape of nail. I am deciding between a tapered square and an almond. I don't know. But y'all let me know what y'all favorite is in the comments, and let's change this view. Y'all know I got them kids around, so we have to do a voiceover for this portion. But nonetheless, let's get into this first set that I absolutely love, y'all. I love the color pattern, I love the shape, and I love the design. The only thing that is missing is a charm. But look at these duck nails. It's giving charm here, charm there, charm everywhere. I love these. But I'm scared of the duck nails, y'all. I'm so scared. But these are super cute too. Something simple, something black. I'm really liking the black lately. I don't know why, but something about it. It just looks so sexy. Y'all know I'm always looking for the perfect nude base for the French, and I kind of like the browns. I just feel like you can never go wrong. But y'all gonna have to stay around for this other black set that I got. It is so cute, y'all. But the duck nails, I really don't know how I feel about them. This is a simple set I don't think I like. I think that thumb is like super, super wide, and then it also had like the little ballerina design. I love that design too, y'all. I will wear these mainly because I feel like the design is not too out there where you would notice that it's a duck nail. Because when I tell y'all I'm nervous to wear them, but I really, really want to try them. I really do. Now these are completely ugly. I don't know. And then there's another nail in here that has a different design. I don't like it either. I just feel like it's too blue. I don't know. And then the design, the little flower, bear, whatever it is, it's just too big. Look at that. That is so ugly. I kind of think it's the blues, like the black, the darker blues. I don't know, y'all. It's just not for me, okay? But these are definitely my style. Y'all see all that bling shining. Yes, that is for me. I love it. Y'all know we just gonna go over that white with another coat and top coated, file those out. But these right here, why would I get, like, stop playing with yourself, girl. These are not the black ones that I was telling y'all about. I don't know. They just long and ugly. I don't know. Now, this set I feel I could get jiggy with. It's not my cup of tea. Like, the pink is too pink for me, but I do like the different designs. I like how different they are, and I love the star. I gotta get me some star charms, y'all. But these are the black nails that I'm talking about. They are too long for me, though. I hate the fact that they're too long, but look at the junk nail. Watch. It is so cute, right? I literally have to recreate this on a shorter set, y'all. But these are cute, nice and simple, girly, dainty. Like, I'm going a little bit too fast for my liking, but yeah, they are cute. I like them. I will wear them probably after I take these off if I don't, try to do them myself. But I just wanted to rack up on some press-ons, y'all, because I am getting low on the ones that I do have, and I'm not really a fan of them. I liked them at the time that I got them, but I don't like them no more. And most of them are long. So this length right here is a good length for me. So if I can find something like this or shorter, then we'll be cool. But y'all, this next set, I hate them. And so far, I am honestly liking Temu nails over Shein, but this little squiggly white, pink, and yellow, I don't think it go. I think the yellow is throwing me off, or the pink is too pink and it doesn't match with the nail next to it, like the ombre. It's just not giving for me. How do y'all feel about it though? Let me know in the comments. Now, the butterfly one, the studded, I can't wait to wear those. They not that noticeable. Like the shape is not that noticeable. If I wear a duck, I want like a little bit of opening, like a little bit. This is just ridiculously wide. Like, look at that. But I honestly feel like it's that pink and yellow design, because if they would have just left them all that orange and pink ombre, it would have been cute. That yellow, absolutely not. But of course, we had to get us some more charms, y'all. This is my second time buying this type of set. I bought the first one from Temu, and of course, them toddlers knocked all my rhinestones over, y'all. Every single last one of them. But we got it in silver, and we also got it in gold, because I've seen so many inspo pics that I wanted to do that had like the gold rhinestones. So we had to get some, and we also had to rack up on our flowers, of course. I feel like you can never go wrong with a pack of flowers in your like charm collection. They are so versatile for like a junk nail, even for like a classy, simple short nail. Okay, so this is obviously not from Shein. This is from BT Art Box. These are the nails that I use to make my own nails, but these are from Shein. Dupe? Yes, please. Because BT Art Box is $15 a pop. I don't know how much these was, but I can guarantee you they wasn't $15. And you know, you can make multiple accounts on Shein using different phone numbers and email addresses and get that first time discount. You know. Don't tell nobody else what y'all, but y'all know. I'm really excited to try them and see how they stand up, y'all. I cannot wait. But since we got those for a good price, we decided to go ahead and get some other dupes from BT Art Box on Shein. Now, y'all just gonna have to look at the rest of this stuff, because let me tell y'all about this nail salon. I wanted almond nails. That's why I went to the nail salon, and they messed up my nails and my feet so bad. And I went to a nail salon that I didn't want to go to, but I only went to them because they were open on a Sunday. And the last time that I got almond, it was my very first time. I went to this one particular shop called Apples in North Philly, and they messed up the shape at that time. And then another lady, when I went to go get my hair done, she recommended me to the nail salon that I like now. And they had to fix it for me the last time, but this time it was just like, yo, I needed my nails done. I didn't have time to go throughout the week because y'all know I got the kids, and it's just like, let me just give them another chance. But for me to walk out of that nail salon and pay $128 plus a tip to two different people, one who did my feet and the other who did my nails, like, I should be completely ecstatic. I should be in love. I should be melting over my nails for $128, but absolutely not. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of my nails, but I'm not satisfied. And then the design, I could literally do the design myself at home. I only went because I don't know how to shape them, but y'all just stay tuned for them videos, because we are definitely practicing, because I'm not doing it, y'all. I am always forced to learn how to do things. That's why I have so many hobbies and so many skills, but I'm not mad at it. I'm honestly mad at my $128, and not necessarily that because I paid for the service. I'm honestly mad at my tip. I should not have tipped them anything. Then tell me why the guy who doing my nails, he capping my head up, keep talking about, oh, you so pretty, you're the prettiest girl in the world, you should have a man, da 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 da, and then goes forward to say, oh, I saw your mom the other day, she came in here and she was looking really nice too. I see where you get your good looks from. You are a liar, and the truth is not in you. Because if my mom was to step foot into a nail salon, and she don't, because she's a chef, she cannot have acrylic and things on her nails. So if she was to step foot inside a nail salon, do you honestly think it would be Apples on 5th Street? Sir, get your entire life. But yeah, y'all, my little nail shop experience after 9 months of not going, it just taught me, like, yeah, you want to have to sit home, take the time out, do your nails yourself. But it did feel good to get pampered by somebody else. I'm not even gonna lie. But $128, it was not that good, okay? But y'all, I am happy that I was able to place an order on Shein to get some nails. I'm kind of liking most of them. Some of them are like definitely giveawayable or trash. But yeah, I'm happy that I got some nails to put on once we go ahead and take these off. But yeah, that was it that we got from the haul. We got some nail polishes, so I'll see y'all in the next clip so we can swatch them. We got some real cute options, right? I think so. I'm so excited to try the duck nails, y'all. And the plan was, I don't know if I told y'all in the voiceover part yet, but the plan was to get the Shein nail haul, do a try on for the duck nails, and then go to the nail salon to get my nails done. But I was impatient, and I went to the nail salon first, and I think I'm just paying for it because, y'all, look at this. Stop. Wait. Listen. Do not come at my nails real hard, y'all, because I'm very sensitive, okay? Like, my nails, y'all know how I feel about my nails. My nails are very important to me. You know how certain girls got shoes, like they're a fetish for shoes. Certain girls got fetish for clothes or jewelry. My fetish is nails, okay? And not just any nails, like the shape, the foundation has to be there, especially on certain shapes of nails. But let me show y'all. Stop. You saw it. They ugly, right? Oh my God. Look. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, where's my other charm? It came off the next day. I got these done on a Sunday. The charm came off Monday evening. Sunday afternoon to Monday evening. Like, are you kidding me? Where's my charm? And I don't have any bows like this. I have bows, but I would have to take this one off so they can match. That's the first thing, okay? The second thing, look at my middle finger. Why is the acrylic all the way on my fingers? Like, why? This one is okay. Why is the acrylic all the way on my finger? Look. A mess, right? What else? Okay, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it, and maybe I'm just crazy, but look at this now. Let me put it on my dark skin. Do y'all see it? It's leaning. It's leaning over that way. Like, stop playing with me. Stop playing. And then if you was to rub over my nail, it's so bumpy. It's not smooth at all. And it's not the glitter polish. If you look at it, you could literally see dents where he didn't take the E-file and file it the right way. And we're not even gonna get started on my toes. I literally was ready to cry inside the nail salon. When I left the nail salon, I was on my TikTok for the nail salon. I'm gonna just insert that right here.
Y'all, my hair is very much tea. I did it myself. Per usual, but it's a wig, y'all, and I'm so proud of myself. It came out exactly the way I wanted. It is a glueless wig, so yeah. And since my hair and my lashes was done, I decided to go ahead and get my nails and feet done too. Like, it's been way past the time for these toes to get in somebody's water. Like, I haven't been at the nail salon since last July. We really just been rocking out with some press-ons, y'all. And I'm gonna forever be a press-on girly, but I wanted an almond shape, and my expertise of doing my own nails is not up there like that. So whenever I want an almond shape, I go to the salon. And I do have a favorite nail salon, but they were closed, so I just went to another one that I was familiar with. But homegirl done my toes, and I go sit in the chair to get my nails done, and then it dawned on me, like, why did I stop coming here? But as soon as that man who did my nails, as soon as he sat down, it all clicked. It all, like, everything came together. Previously, it was my first time getting almond shape, and he was the one who did them before, and I cried. Y'all, they were so ugly. Y'all, they were so ugly to the point where after I got my nails done that day, I went to the Dominican shop. Homegirl washing my hair, and she stopped washing my hair, dried her hands off, and grabbed my hand as if we girlfriends. It was like, who did your nails? And then I started to tear up again because it's like, girl, I don't even want to tell you. But do y'all see my big toe? Look at this toe, and then look at that toe. It is not my toe, girl. You did not E-file that down good enough. And I did speak up. They never know what I'm talking about. And they just lie so much. The man doing my nails talk about something. I seen your mom. She's so pretty. Like, no, you did not.
Y'all, like, I'm pissed. I'm pissed. But anyway, we do have new nails, so I'm so happy about that. Definitely want to try those duck nails on y'all. And then I also want to try to see the longevity or how those BT Art Box dupes. They just literally emailed me. Oh my God. They literally emailed me last night for a collaboration, y'all. But we'll talk about that if that comes through. You know, negotiations are in effect. But anyway, I don't even know what I'm just saying. But the BT Art Box dupes, I wanna see how they hold up. But y'all, we got some polishes that I want to do some swatches with y'all. These are not from Shein. I showed y'all these in my Amazon girly haul. So we got both of these from Amazon. We never swatched them, so we'll swatch them with y'all. But I did get some polish from Shein. And I love the packaging. It's different shades of pink. I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's more, y'all. I just have to go through this. Because I did the haul part upstairs and now I'm downstairs. But this is another thing that came. And I wanted to show y'all this because I need to be standing up. And y'all, listen, am I tripping? This gotta be for a kid. That's how big it is. Like, who is y'all playing with? Who is y'all playing with? And then this is coming off, y'all. So I'm gonna just take it off. I would need to get it around my big head. But if I was to do that, right, get like a little bow clip. I know you. Are you kidding me, Shein? Y'all gonna seriously have to take something off them terrorist charges for this because I had to pop this one and this one literally just came off. I promise y'all, it literally just came off. But that would have been so cute had it been longer. It's literally like a seafood bit. Like from the nails to that popping, I'm pissed all over again. all over again. But anyway, y'all, let's get into these swatches. I have another polish, a chrome polish, but it's just a silver chrome. I can't find it, so I don't know what to tell y'all. All right, let's get what we need. We need some nail tips. Do I want to use these ones? Oh no, I like what Quint. We need something that I don't use. We're gonna use these ones. These are BT Art Box, another one of my favorites, but they're long. And we only have a little bit of zeros left. So I'm gonna just go ahead, use these, and let's get the swatching. Look at you. All right, y'all, I found the chrome. It is so cute. Look at the packaging. I love the packaging. And in one of my other videos, I was telling y'all that I wanted all of my bottles to be the same, and this would be cute. So with those little sand and fog little bottles that I got with my essential oils in, and these are the other bottles from Shein. So this pack came with 6 or 8. I'm gonna be completely honest. It either came with 6 or 8. I have 6 right here, so I'm gonna assume 6, but I didn't go back through the packaging to see if it was 2 more. So these are the ones we got from Shein, and these are the ones we got from Amazon. So we're going to swatch the ones from Shein first and then get into those. How the colors are looking. I am in love. I like this one, I like this one, and I like this one. I like this one too. These two are a little light for my skin color, I think, but oh my goodness. But definitely will wear this, and definitely will wear this. I'm thinking about recreating my nose with this as the base. I think that'll be pretty, or this one. What y'all think? But the chrome, oh, it's so shiny, super, super shiny. Now, I do like the thickness of the polishes, except for the chrome is very, very watery. But the other polishes are super, they're not too thick, y'all, but they are a very nice consistency where you would still get that acrylic look. I think I like them. All right, y'all, so these Model 1 polishes can literally hand me a fair one, because why do they dry so fast? I would not recommend these, y'all. And then the bottle is just completely small. It's cute, but no. The colors are cute too, but no. Now, these from Gaoi, I believe, they are super, super pretty. I'm loving every single last color, and I love the consistency of the polish. And most of the colors will look real good as a base for a Frenchie.